My original ones was good. So I took the kids out here. Well, I'm taking the kids out here
I'm not one of the
to.
kids. I'm an adult.
She's a big kid. I'm taking the kids out here to the Barber Vintage Museum, and we're going on a tour of Mr. George Barber's museum. And yeah, everybody back here. And so we're about to go in here and see what they talking about.
That's the best year.
It's so beautiful outside. We out here in Birmingham, Alabama.
Look at all them motorcycles. I'm loving
I know.
motorcycles.
It started in the mid-1980s with Barber. Their family owned a milk company. I grew up drinking Barber milk. In the mid-1980s, he was a racer. In the early 1970s, he had to come back and run the dairy because his father passed away, so he took over the dairy business. He ran it for the 70s through the 80s. He sold it in 1994. The collection already started on the south side of Birmingham in the garage. The museum had already started there. It became a 501c in 1994. So from 1994 to 1999, it was on the south side of Birmingham. In 1999, they got invited to send 20 motorcycles to the Barber Motorsports Park Museum in New York. Big display. They went there. Mr. Barber went.
What'd you say?
That's the very first part. You see that shit?
So y'all, we here at the Barber Museum. It's crazy up here. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. I think they're going somewhere else. So this is basically a car lift. We're getting into the car lift. This is dope.
Come on, man. This is the safest elevator in Alabama.
Pretty sure, especially if it's holding cars.
Everything you see in this museum, it's been on this elevator one time. That's how we move everything. It's 24,000 pound capacity. It's driven by a hydraulic shaft that's underneath us, 90 feet into the ground.
Wow.
The only thing that limits us is length. Here, a couple of years ago, we had an auction here. They had a Plymouth Superbird that sat right there outside these doors for 3 days. They was trying to figure out how to get it on the elevator. And I finally told the guys, they just push it in when the nose hits these doors, step back and cross your fingers. It's clear.
This is dope. Oh my God. It smell like gas. It do.
Yeah.
Wow. Dope. What you think?
I feel like you can ride that.
Good.
I feel like I gotta come.
Oh God, we're not getting you on my YouTube.
You just want to be a hater.
We don't. Yes, I'm a hater.
Hey, like, stop kicking me.
She's a leg kicker, real strong.
You see that one up there?
I understand you don't get hurt.
Oh, like a torpedo?
Wow.
I needed
I'm not gonna lie, I do like the Barber Museum, but so far I'm like so overwhelmed because there's so much to see, and it's like, dang.
Cute. Look at that little thing. It's a little race rocket.
Oh yeah.
It's a little tiny little
For Kai
bike.
Kai.
That's for Cairo. Kai Kai can't fit on this.
Oh yeah. He might try to.
Ooh, Cairo.
He said that they started off as a milk company, and then he started collecting in a garage in South Birmingham. That's crazy.
A milk company is crazy.
That's what I'm saying. You can do anything you put your mind to, for real.
You drink that much milk. I don't like milk. I'm not
Yeah. You see the cow over there?
I see they got a couple of Porsches out there racing. When do they usually have the big Porsche event?
Porsche Track Experience is nearly every day. They do use track 180 days a year.
Oh.
Porsche Club America comes here.
Yeah, I had a friend that's in there, and they told me, dang, Look at that Porsche. Ooh, boy.
That'd be a box.
It's different when you're on the bridge.
Oh, it feels good when you're on the bridge.
Different when you're on the bridge.
Ooh,
You can hear it better and everything, yeah. We already went.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
the other one, they're just like
Earlier.
more than one
Just to
track.
give you an idea, they've probably paid $1,200 or $1,500
just to get on the track?
for the track day.
Is that what it costs?
And I don't know exactly. I know some
That's
of them.
crazy.
Some of them all
The man said that it cost $1,500 just to get on the track. That's crazy. I should flip around on there. Oh shoot. What in the world? Oh, this is for the don't touch. This is for the snow. Yes. Ah. Phone.
Don't this supposed to be snow?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I can't wait till we go down to the track.
Oh, he said we're going down here, y'all. Yeah, I seen Bigfoot. Yeah, he over there by the waterfall. Dang, that Supra is treading him. So I'm sitting here and I see this right here. This is a near A car Model B. It's air cooled with a single cylinder 2-stroke, and it has a single carburetor, 5-speed. It's cool. Right.
Yeah.
So tell us what else it say on there.
Down here.
Yeah.
The near
A car, near a car.
the near a car
Sitting right there is probably the oldest
as
motorcycle you'll see.
a edition.
That's 1903. They started in 1902.
Yep.
That's still
Near
number
track.
45,
In
1903. They were only building.
18.
They were only building like a couple
1918
hundred a year.
and was first
They call that
Manufactured
manufactured
under license
in
England.
That is a
A
restoration.
Sheffield
You look at the other down the line here.
Simplex in 1992. It looks like it's 2 people that can sit in there actually. One sit kind of back and one kind of sit up. That's cool. Get off of that. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Look at that color. 1926. That one's built in 1926. Or 22. Oh, this is nice. Oh, look at this.
right? So it says on there. This was born in 1931.
1931.
Yeah.
Damn. a day at the Barber Museum, and we headed home. We'll see y'all soon. Peace.